Good morning, Nagaland. Ajui Sana Put Hombil TV laga notun episode amnian sabke swagat korise. Moi Simo Amla, amnian host. Aro aji amnian lode the most gorgeous, talented, renowned makeup artist join korise amnian lode. So as someone who is obsessed with beauty and makeup myself, ami aji telo de kota goli bishik se dinase. So let's not wait any longer and let's welcome our special guest, Miss Analia.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Stand Up with Hornbill TV. Thank you so much for joining me today. So, I'm Niki Ngase.
I'm really good and I'm really happy to be here. Moi yete ahi bole bishi khushi bhal paase.
Acha. So, I'm Niki viewers can get wish kudo. Show the start kuna viewers can get introduce kuna wish kudo.
Hi, moi analysis mo me ase and since itu mostly the viewers can Nagamis he jane kane moi Nagamis pai kotha kobo moi lega Nagamis beshi bhal parbe nohoy kyunki moi ghorte sema aru English koi but for the sake of the viewers moi aji Nagamis pai beshi kotha koribole try koribo.
Okay, thank you so much. Mom viewers can even buji dina Nagamis par kotha koi
Most welcome.
Apni to you are considered as one of the most renowned makeup artists Nagaland de ingauna consider kore. Apni India de kla nuina bahar gandhi bi kam goina ase aro man prestigious brands like Innisfree. I love Innisfree by the way. Innisfree Kiko ingala de kam goina na.
So moi actually makeup start kore time te that time Instagram khan ko বেশি পপুলার থাকা নাই তো মই স্টার্ট করে তো ব্রাইডাল মেকআপ করনে এটু পারপাস করনে করিছে হলে বি অ্যাজ মই ব্রাইডাল মেকআপ করে টাইমতে ইনস্টাগ্রাম তে পিকচার্স খান পোস্ট করে থাকছে এন্ড দেন ব্র্যান্ডস খান নোটিস করে কিনা it just happened on its own. I really didn't this was not really my forte but it just happened.
Acha, so it was a smooth journey like
yeah because moi to bridal makeup artist ase and then influencer it just happened along the way.
Acha, so itarak industry de how has the journey been up till now?
Bishi bhal ase hole bi bishi competitive bi ase and sometimes you have your ups and downs but you have to keep going ene jai thakibo lage.
Acha, to apni kinga thakise how were you like growing up? Apni othai makeup kan de or beauty and the interested thakise?
Yes, definitely. My school to be since like class 8, class 7. My I mean, like seniors can like on farewell or some occasions, what I can like chuli bana thake, no any makeup or haircut. Juniors can like haircut kore thake. So I think more like under the thakishe.
Okay, so kita realize sushi ki moi hoy professional makeup artist is what you wanted to become. Inga na amni kinga kita realize suinai shido.
So it is bishi funny ase because moi like every other Naga family my parents moi ke IAS koribole force korise so
IAS acha acha
because ami khan quota thake na like the you know IAS quota so I did try moi ek sal karne korise but then moi ne apne aap ke koi thakis na like who am I fooling you know so then moi apne ka papa ke koise na please moi ek bar chance to be moi কি ভাল লাগে উঠুহে কৰিব মন আছে because মই কি ভাল লাগে উঠু কৰিলে মই আপোনালোকে 100% দি দিব না তো তাই মানিছে and then when I started it there was no looking back.
Okay, wow.
So I think I would tell like all the viewers sabke ko lage yes it's nice when apni khan like work is government work or doctor like the typical work it's really nice but also apni khan in other fields they like bhal thakile if you make the most of it and utu korile you will be I mean you will get success you know I'm so sorry more like Nagamish bishi bi ase de wo bishi try kori ase
you're good doing so well. So abdila job to it demands manangi bishi milule bishi log paule it demands a lot of that.
yes
amni bishi bright kan lo de kam kule lagi jay aur bishi manual lo de kam kule lagi jay bishi manual interact kurna hi hole lagi jay or especially I'm sure it's not that easy to work with brides right like done so many different preferences thage or different choices thage kita hodo ki ko pressuring bi ho na brides kan lo de kam kule because it's their big day na to done they want it to be perfect to amni do challenges kan do kinga gona adapt kurna ishe.
The first and most important thing is social skills as a makeup artist apni laga makeup has to be good, but then apni social skills be bishi bhal thakibo lage to communicate with people, manu khana kotha kobole aru kinika supposing time apni bride ase apni bishi tension thakile moi like job apni olop calm down koribole to khan bishi important ase it karone work bridal makeup start na korar agate bishi din আগেতে আপনি লাগা ব্রাইড লাগা টেস্ট আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড করবি তাকে ভাল লাগে কি ভাল না লাগে আৰু রেফারেন্স খান শেয়ার করবি এন্ড আপনি বিগিনার থাকিলে ট্রায়াল কৰিবলে বেছি ইম্পর্টেন্ট আছে
then amni laga olop video like how is the day in your life like মই olop idu laga image video
মোৰ লাগে ডে টু বেছি আনপ্রেডিক্টেবল আছে ইন উইন্টার সিজন মই তো এনি সুটকেসে থাকে but in summer season moi ke aram pai na to moi my typical day ne uthikena video start videos kind of shoot koribole start kore because like I said moi influencer was not my idea but it happened along its way it came on its way rastate ahishe to moi brands khan logore beshi collaborate kore work kore na to I do my videos and then that's it
so simple
it's simple I just any videos record kare and then I just I love family time so I spend time with my family and in the evening then I go out and hang out it's just very simple day
then apni la job la sabse apni gane sabse favorite thing do ki ase
my job favorite thing is getting free things
free things
I get a lot of free things so like to be shivala se
to moi makeup artist ho jana what does it take to be a makeup artist
yes it takes dedication especially moi makeup start kora time ten Instagram khan beshi popular thaka nai but nowadays I mo jane kiman difficult ase for new because there's so much competition aru beshi established makeup artist khan bi ase to ita start kora time te beshi difficult hobo but I encourage like kon makeup korbole mon ase not to stop and always in the beginning yes we all want to work and we all want to earn money but then initially you work for your not for money but work to see the results of your work say if you're not getting brides initially because you won't get people you have to earn your trust on korbo lage so you just get any bakra just do on your mom your helper your sister your friends do makeup show before after
do
that's
on
really
yourself
important
also.
Exactly you're your best model so do on yourself people want to see results before after that's really important that's what I kept doing every day just post something and then like so one day maybe your friends family will say oh she's doing this maybe I'll take her you know at a low cost and then you slowly increase your price so basically just don't give up just keep doing
talking about prices and all amniwe Nagaland do you think that being a makeup artist to ekta economically viable career ekta inga hubun china lage Nagaland
I definitely think that actually you know it's a very good question bishi bhal question I say because moi one of the pioneers to take makeup as a true profession in Nagaland thakise to malaga my ama ko thakise like earlier ki you know okay makeup artist korase holobi what's your real job you know so I was like mom itu malaga real job ase so she didn't really believe me until she started seeing that makeup bishi very good money it is and in fact I don't want to offend anyone here but in fact makeup artists if you once you start like getting sustainable once you kinika ko bishi sustain kore time te bishi earn bi kore na and it's actually a better paying job than government jobs as well I would say
just don't give up
yeah
be consistent na inga thaigo lage nakinga
you have to be consistent definitely and you should not give up because there are days you know when you don't get you know bridal bookings because for us it's like there's no permanent salary kita booking pai that time like you make money so you just have to keep going brides na thakile bi sometimes just make it you know fake it till you make it so just keep showing that you have brides show somebody or the other but just keep showing your work because social media is a free and very powerful tool
so one social media do pas utilize ko lage
definitely
if you want to tade amni la market yan uli munjai se gule do na
definitely moi like মানুহ খান ভাবে মোৰ লগা social media team আছে হলে বি I my social media team and I don't pay for social media. I promote myself everything on my Instagram and it's a free marketing tool sab karne, so you must make the most of it.
Okay, so now let's talk about your luxury brushes, makeup by Anelia. So apni like of all the other makeup products kini apni brushes se brushes se ki ko banawale start korise? Yes.
Again to beshi bhal question ase because moi laga career 2013 start korise, to jab moi start korise utu time te na like good makeup brush kinibole beshi expensive thakise, matte brushes 1900 2500. so ekta artist makeup brides khan logare koribole afford koba na pare, you know, especially if you're not from a very influential background, so nobody sab manu afford koba na pare. So I wanted to start a makeup brush line where everyone could afford.
Acha.
So that's why I saw this gap in the market, and that's why I decided to come up with this.
Okay, then tulibi market to the brushes potas na, then what's so unique about your brushes?
So what's unique about my brushes is that my brush, yes, brush can take for 1000 you'll get the entire kit, and then again MAC brushes, for example, I'm saying MAC because it's like considered to be a very good brand. So 2500 rupees or 2000 rupees for one brush. So now in mine you have like this entire kit for just aru moi 7000 kole bishi mehenga sound kore hole bi you have to see the quality, because artist laga kam koribole the tool to do your work is most important. So once you invest in a tool, then your work will come up to be very nice.
Acha, ठीक है से. तो हम इन्हीं तरह conversation और continue करना चाहो. तो लीता खतक तब break लेना चलिए वापस है वो सारे की Hornbill TV.
The best institutions teach the most, and not just teach a lot. NICSE believes in not just cracking one exam in life, but in an education that can also equip for the exam of life. Every day is a feather added. Every day is a day conquered at NICSE. Be in the team of goal achievers, in the company of best learners, an environment for daily steps, daily efforts, daily learning and testing, daily corrections, daily molding, and daily succeeding for the ultimate success in exam. Crack the NPSC exam with NICSE. Coach with the best.
Welcome back, Sana with Hornbill TV there. So I'm Anita, I'm your guest, Miss Anelia Lude. Get to know Miss Anelia better edition game kilo. So do game la rules so bishi simple ase. Honest answer to it is. So amni laga first question the something you're interested in other than makeup.
Traveling?
Traveling.
Definitely.
Okay, wow.
If that counts.
Yeah, sure. What really makes you angry?
What makes me angry is bishi congested place or noisy place.
Your biggest achievement?
More like a makeup brush line, definitely.
Okay. Favorite high, low end makeup brands?
Favorite low end would be Maybelline. That can be bhal products ase. And high end would be Laura Mercier.
Okay, I love Maybelline. I love the concealer.
Yeah, bishi bhal ase that can like concealers can be.
What does your daily beauty routine consist of?
My BB cream and my lip tint, which I use on my cheeks, more like a cheeks dale, and my mascara.
Oh, so that's very simple.
Yeah, that's like a daily, but apne daily koile I meant like a 2-minute makeup.
Okay.
I didn't mean like a really daily, but yeah, 2-minute makeup.
Then usually how long does it take for you to apply your makeup? Aji ki man daily lucia?
No, I take because moi sab face this sab korishe. But the thing is I'm so used to it ki it takes like 15-20 minutes, but I do like contouring, concealing, brows, sab kore.
The favorite part, kundu favorite part is that you should not miss it part to kundu se.
Eyebrows, especially Ami Khan karne, because I'm become bishi eyebrows chul khan nai. So eyebrows definitely.
Okay, acha. Not for me. I only do the brushing and
I can
that's
see
it,
it.
yeah. Okay, thick thighs or toned body? Aduh ko tabi siya ni naisip sa dudu lagi siya.
I think overall tone body is not thick thighs.
Okay. तो आपने अनुनिशिता. Someone you wish to work with?
Someone I wish to work with would be, I wish to work with so many people. So, but like a person or a brand.
Tila kushi.
I would love to, like, if it's a person with Kylie.
Oh, Kylie.
Yeah, definitely.
Acha.
That's a dream.
Nagaland brother kun hua?
In Nagaland, actually, I'm working with quite a few influencers here. So I think I've worked with everybody that I know. That I'll be working because, like I said, we're working with an NGO for a lot of work. So
Okay.
yeah, I think I've covered in Nagaland pretty much everybody.
ঠিক আছে. So that was Get to Know Miss Anelia Better Edition game thaki show. Well done. I mean, aro ekta game ase.
All right, sure.
So idu game the Never Have I Ever Beauty Edition.
All right, okay.
Okay, so never have I ever lost a false lash in public.
Lost the false lash. Kurishimoy.
Acha. Overlined my lips.
Definitely, Ajvi Kurish.
Acha. Bought a product just for its packaging.
Definitely guilty.
Acha. Got plastic surgery.
I did get my eyelids, so yeah, I guess.
Oh, acha, that counts. Acha. Being part of makeup trend, I regret.
Big part of makeup trend that I regret.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of kajal.
Acha.
So my school, it's funny because I'm a Kannada school. I was in DPS RK Puram, and some schools are so strict. But in DPS RK Puram, bishi rules pe thaga nahi. So I'm a bishi dark kajal. We used to wear that. So that was very bad.
That was trendy at
Yeah,
that
but
time.
I would
you
never
regret
do
it
again.
now.
Yeah.
Okay. Done makeup just to stay home.
Every time.
Okay. Go to bed without washing off your makeup.
Yes, I have done that in the past sometimes, and sometimes I do it when I'm super tired.
Is
and
it after
if
partying?
I wanted to be polite and say super tired, but yes,
Acha.
party pichate.
ঠিক আছে. So that was Never Have I Ever. Well done again.
Thank you.
Then how are your upcoming projects kan kinga dikhe se apni laga? Ki
My,
expect ko?
I can see more bishi travel dikhe, and yeah, there's a lot of travel. Yeah, I can just only travel.
ठीक है. Then the next 5 years apni भी की achieve करूँ जैसे through in your career.
In my career, next 5 years, actually, I can add my personal life as well. I don't mind. So in my career, my makeup academy and more makeup brush line, I'll be expand Kurbula say that. So so my makeup academy, my makeup brush line, and then marriage, and maybe a small baby.
Okay. Wow. Let's hope for the marriage part.
And a baby.
ठीक है. So अपनी एरिया ही ना से तो makeup hacks अलग tips नहीं देना तो जाओ नहीं दो. So अपनी viewers का नहीं मिलेगा ने makeup hacks को बात वीडियो.
So one thing, hacks would be not exactly hack, but like a tip would be never ever like have dark eyes and dark lips together.
Okay.
Especially because I have seen a lot of girls, maybe because they didn't know you wear like dark lipstick and then again dark eyes, so that looks really bad. Bishi biya dikhe, so it's a no. Apni dark lips korle, light eyes, no dark eyes korle, light lips. This is a really important tip.
अच्छा, nice one. Thank you so much for coming here today. Musician la conversation na jagane ye dekho tum milego. So but before I let you go, अपनी viewers का निमित्त गाने any last message दी दुआ.
Moi apni concept ke thank you koribole mona se for having me here. Ari moi ke maaf koribi, moi laga Nagamis bishi biya set karne. Hobi moi aji apni khan karne bishi try korise Nagamis pa kotha kobole. So thank you so much for having me here.
Okay, thank you so much. It was so fun having you here today. Thank you so much for coming to Hornbill TV and then sharing your journey and your ideas.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So today share jala conversation with Miss Anelia or additional interesting conversations kan num jale do. Everyone is on up with Humble TV sa lagi. Thank you.